Good afternoon, Arlene.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm Arlene Metonda. I'm 33 years old. I'm the core of the family.
You have domestic experience.
Yes, ma'am.
How many members have you served? Three.
There are
Three. How many adults?
two.
2 adults and one child age 6 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your main duty in your employer's house?
I do cooking, washing the clothes, cleaning. Sometimes I do car washing.
How many times do you cook?
3 times a day.
3 times a day. What about gardening? Is that every day or just few
Every-
times in a week? Every day?
Yes, ma'am.
Car washing, how many times you do car washing?
Twice a week.
Twice a week. How many cars?
One.
1 car. Are the adults working? The couple?
Yes.
The couple working, so you're the ones to looking and take care of the 6-year-old
Yes, ma'am.
child.
Yes.
Are you the one who sent the child to school?
Yes, ma'am.
This will be your first time working abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
What are you going to do if one time one member of your family in the Philippines got sick? What will you do? And then they need money.
I send her money.
Can you promise your employer not to break your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
If your employer in Hong Kong cannot provide you a Sunday off but instead on weekdays, is it that okay with you?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay.
Is it okay if you finish your household chores before going out for holiday?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise to cut your hair short?
Yes.
Can you promise not to invite friends or relatives to your employer's house?
Yes, ma'am.
Any message for your future employer, my Arlene?
Madam and sir, if you're willing to choose me, I do the best and I follow the rules and regulations. Thank you.
That's all, Arlene. Thank you.